and welcome to Igbo Academy. My name is Shoma. Today we are going to look at corrupted words in Igbo language. Corrupted words. And they are called Okwu, mkpọgharị. Corrupted words. These are words which have become a result of wrong pronunciation from the beginning. So when the white men came into Igbo land, they were pronouncing some words, but the Igbo people couldn't pronounce it as much as the white people. So they pronounced it in a wrong way. With continued use, this mispronunciation persisted and became our Igbo words. They were pronouncing these words. Our Igbo people couldn't pronounce those words. We continued pronouncing it in such manner, and now the words have become our own Igbo words. So, example, these are how those words were derived. Example number 1. Once you hear any Igbo man saying anything like potokiri, you know the person is talking about the Portuguese. Potokiri, the Portuguese. Then once you hear kotuma means a court messenger. Kotuma, court messenger. Then number 3, we have corporal. Corporal means corporal. Corporal means corporal. Number 4, we have panya. You hear people saying ben no na panya. Ben no eba na su panya. Ben no nobodo panya. Ben no na ana panya. Panya means Espanol. Then number 5, we have nkachifu. Once you hear your grandfather say nkachief, no, he's talking about the handkerchief. It is pronounced nkachief in Igbo language. Then we have boku. Boku means is a French word. Boku. I think it's much. Yes, it's much. Boku. Odi boku. Oburibo. Odi boku. Anu di boku. Eba inde. The meat is plenty. And boku is a French word. Then number 7, we have umbrella. Once you hear your grandmother saying umbrella, know that she's telling you to go and get her umbrella for her. Number 8, we have simi. Once you hear simi is the original word is chemise, and is a French word for an underwear. So that's what the Igbos called simi. Once you hear they were telling simi, know that your grandmother is telling you to go and bring her underwear for her. Number 9, we have iyeri. Iyeri mo kebe iyeri mdi. What is iyeri? Iyeri is earring. They couldn't pronounce earring very well, so they started calling it iyeri. Iyeri mo. So whenever you hear iyerim, now the person is talking about earring. The original word is earring. Then number 10, we have afu. If it's like that, you say afu. It means half a penny. They couldn't pronounce half penny very well. They are then calling it afu. Half. Then number 11, we have alakuba. The original word is alakuba. That's the outside word. If you're living in the north and they are praying in the morning, when they'll be saying Allahu Akbar or something like that, that's it. That's where the Igbo people got the corrected word from. Then number 12, we have ichafu. When they say Igbo na ichafu is a French word, I think, for chiffon, a type of clothes, a type of material, chiffon. So it's ichafu. Then most of the time these chiffons are used for hair tie. So the Igbos call it ichafu. Then number 13, we have abada. And abada is a type of clothes that is called haberdashery. It's a type of cloth. I don't know. Look it up. The word is there. Number 14, we have karafishi. The corrupted word, the Igbo word is karafish. And the original word is crayfish. Crayfish. That's what the Igbos call karafish. Name karafish 100 naira. Then number 15, we have korota. Korota. Afromago na korota. Korota is, the original word is kota. That's what the Igbos called korota. Then number 16, we have jackie. Jackie. The original word is jackass. Number 17, we have shilly. Shilly. The original word is shilling. Then number 18, we have ofesi. 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 The original word is oversee. So the Igbo man wants to call oversee. In Igbo language, they'll tell you ofesi. Oje na mba ofasi. Ofesi. Oga na mba ofesi. Sorry. Oga na mba ofesi. Mba ofesi means overseas. Overseas. Then number 19, you have government. Government. The original word is government. Number 20, we have Awusa. Awusa. The Awusa. Awusa. The Igbo will say Awusa, but the original word is Hausa. Then 21, we have Nama. Nama. The original word is Llama, and it's a type of animal. There's a type of animal. Number 22, we have Gadaroom. Gadaroom. Otiere nwam na Gadaroom. Gadaroom is the original word is gathering. Then number 23, we have tapo. Biko tinye tapo ni ko mechie misi. Tapo. The original word is tarpaulin. Tarpaulin. Then you have alo. Alo. Kodoye neku. Alo. Alo. The original word is hello. Hello is alo in Igbo language. Then we have osikapa. 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 And the original word is shinkafa. Shinkafa. And shinkafa is an Hausa word. Shinkafa. That's what the Igbos called osikapa. Then number 26, we have oloko. 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 And oloko is locomotive. You know the train. The locomotive, the train. In those days, the Igbos call it Ubo Oloko. That's why we call it Ubo Oloko. Ubo is something that we can drive, and Oloko is the locomotive. So, Oloko is locomotive. Number 29, we have England. England. England means England. England means England. The number 28, we have engineer. Engineer. Engineer, the original word is engineer. Then 29, we have mala. Mala. Mala, the original word is malam, and that's an Hausa word. Then number 30, we have Port Harcourt. Port Harcourt. And the original word is Port Harcourt, a city in Nigeria. So these are the corrupted words. These are some of the corrupted words in Igbo language. Please, if you have other ones, you can put them down in the comment section. These are how the words were derived. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There are many other videos here. Watch them and have fun while you do so, and learn the Igbo language very well. Thank you so much, and do have a nice day. Kemesia, Kodivazia.